What's up, you guys? I'm here at an abandoned bowling alley. It's so fucking cool. Get ready to bowl. Okay, so we're walking down, entering the main floor, subfloor basement alley. This was a 5-pin establishment. There's several lanes here. I don't know how many. And this was, from what I gather, it was not a computerized establishment. I'm not sure. Anyway, so this place closed in 2017. And considering it's only been 2 years, it's a lot of damage. You'll see the water damage has left the parquet flooring it's all buckled. Here I am panning. And now we're walking down laneway, memory laneway. Just, I guess I wanted to slowly pan to show you what it would look like. I thought the upholstery was kind of funky. It's this like funfetti, funky carpet stuff on the walls and everywhere. And here's one of the original scorekeeping cards. From what I understand, this place they didn't use computerized scorekeeping. Obviously, I don't see the TV screens. There's the floor up above. You'll see they have the TV screens there, but not on this floor. Here's a trophy that's been shattered to smithereens. Oh, and look, some signage. That glow in the dark. Rock and roll. Oh, back to another trophy. There was a trophy case that was all smashed up. Had you gone to this place 6 months prior, everything was still in pristine condition. This trophy case was still intact. Everything was behind it. It looked like it had just been left there, but unfortunately vandals and looters have gotten in and just completely destroyed the place. I'm sure if you look at enough sort of Canadian Instagram feeds, you'll see people that were there in the summer and how. Anyway, so here's the washroom. This is the ladies' washroom. Thought it was a kind of a funky retro feel to it. And now we're exiting the washroom. And here's Jabba the Hutt. Glow in the dark Jabba the Hutt. Eating a mouse. And now I think I'm proceeding to the back because I wanted to show you guys the pin setters. Actually, a cool story about these pin setters is they were manufactured in my hometown of Richmond Hill. And here's you can see my breath there, it's so cold. Here's the bank of pin setters, and now I'm behind the pin setters, looking into the alley. Kind of a cool space, cool area to be back there. Fortunately, there are no pins, nor are there any balls left at this place. I'm sure they've been all taken. Maybe they were sold, I'm not sure. So, okay, we're on the top floor. We're on the top floor bowling alley. The damage here is even worse than... Oh, and look, a roll of that funky carpeting. So if you want to hit me up if you want some of that funky carpeting in your house. Perhaps you can line your bowling mechanisms with it. And here I am just walking away, walking around. Some receipt paper unraveled rolls. Rolls of receipt paper unraveled. That's a tongue twister. And yeah, I'm not sure what I'm trying to show here. Oh, look, there's my breath again. It's pretty cold. Yep, it's pink. Fun colors. Here, I guess I'm trying to take a photo. Probably should edit that out. I'm gonna leave it for this video. Just walking around. So I've been to this place. This footage is from when I was there at night. You can, if you're there, you hear the pitter patter of the rain droplets coming in. And here we are, just walking around again. Trying to get that focus. So walking back, so there are no pin setters. The pin setter's been taken out on this top floor here. So I'm just walking back just to, I guess, investigate what's going on back there. Not much. Pin setters are gone. So if you don't know what a pin setter is, it's the machinery that sets the pins. An automated system for setting pins so that you can topple them over, knock them over with your balls. Please do not loft the ball. So this was kind of like a back room used for kids' parties. Yeah. Fun times. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. It's kind of short. Stay tuned for my next video, because I'm going to be checking out an abandoned Swiss chalet. Peace.